Hi, welcome to another screencast of Deployapps.io series. So in the previous screencast, we have configured a deployment pipelines and we have deployed our HTML applications to the DigitalOcean server. So in this screencast, we will see how we can automate that process. So whenever we will push our changes to the GitHub, it will automatically trigger the deployment and deploy to our server automatically. So we don't have to manually click on deploy or don't have to log into the Deployapps server. So let's see. So first, let's go to the edit, and here we have these settings called deploy when code is post. So click on here. So whenever we will push some changes to this particular branch, then our deployment will be triggered. Okay, so if we push changes to other branch, the pipeline will not trigger. So let's save and close and see. So here you can see deploy automatically when code push, that is like activated. So now what we will do, we'll make some changes. So here we will change to auto deployment, and here also okay. So now git add commit deployment changes. So now still we have not pushed anything. So let's see the existing status. So if I refresh, our applications is like deploying via deployapps.io, that is present. Now we will push these changes. Main. So now as we have pushed these changes, so let's wait a couple of seconds and it will, here you can see it's automatically detected our deployment, and you can see our commit message change automatic deployment, and the deployment also done. So now if I go back to our website and refresh, here you can see auto deployment via deployapps.io. So this is how easy to enable the automatic deployment using deployapps.io. Okay, and if you go to the deployments, we should be able to see 3 deployments. Earlier we had like 2 deployments. So here you can see the deployment, right? Okay, so thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.